Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Not really necessary video, but I stated in that, and I really love this. I'm going to save this file. It's pretty cool. But I said in that deal that they're they're not connected at all by any means. So it's four separate shapes. But you could very easily connect them, and you could connect them in a number of ways. We're going to do it in two different ways. I'm going to make a duplicate of that and nudge it out of the way. The first way, I'm just gonna, I'd said in the video to stay away from this line. Well, why not we go past that line a little bit and actually take, you know what, and I'm just gonna, well, you know what, I'm not gonna do anything to it because we're gonna weld it. So I'm gonna move this out of the way. So we know we're past the line. So if I can control D, it won't really matter on this one. But if we weld, and earlier I said, see that line, as long as you've got a good line, it'll weld. And so we have a good line. But here's where it's going to be, I think, going to join them together and make it look pretty cool, I hope. Control D, alternate C, and rotate it 90 degrees. And see, now these are going to be joined. And then Control D, Control D. And all you have to do is take it all and weld it and see it joined at the, almost like joining at the hips. And it looks pretty cool. But then that way you can just use one color on the whole thing if you wanted one color. And it's all kind of interwoven. And then you could actually use the interactive fill tool. Of course, I wouldn't use blue. I would always use yellow and red. And we need to take away the outline. So I'm going to select it all. Whoop. You need to make sure you grab another tool when you select it all and then take away the line. And let's make this black box bigger, and look at that. Now, I said there's two ways to do that. And this one I'm going to do maybe just a little bit different. You know, we have lines here connecting it. Why couldn't you, and I'm just playing off the cuff here. Um, I don't even know where you'd want to connect it. Maybe just like right there and put a little curve to it. And then if you remember, we use like 36 points. And then I'm going to convert it to a object and left click, right click. And I'm not going to weld it. I'm going to do this, 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 and this. And I'm going to go ahead and delete that. I'm going to use the Smart Fill tool that is going to make all that one piece now. I'm going to nudge that out of the way and then nudge this out of the way and put this back, and I'm going to left click, right click, control, hope this works, Control D, holding down the control key. I'm going to go ahead and weld that. I think it's smarter to get rid of the lines as you can. Well, what did it already welded and it didn't work? Huh. You know, the other two times it worked. I don't think I moved anything. You can always delete those lines. You know what? Earlier, I was thinking there was two sets of lines. But then Control D to duplicate, alternate C, and cross your fingers that our lines are going to match up. And they do. And then Control D, Control D. Completely different scenario. Hopefully the weld will work. Sometimes it just doesn't work. And that's when you want to use your virtual segment delete key and just delete these lines. I shouldn't do that without zooming in. And then, so, see, I missed it a little bit. Always zoom in. don't work without a net. Now, because if you take your smart fill tool and fill that in, it's basically welding it. And look at that. I mean, you know what? Maybe that's why it wouldn't weld. There was a ghost figure. Maybe another copy. Let's look at these last ones I did. Let me go ahead and make this a little bigger. Let me just get rid of these. And let's make our box. That's pretty cool. I mean, 3 different shapes. This one where the circles were touching. This one where we got a hoop between them. I don't know what you would call these, but they're pretty cool and pretty easy and fun to draw. Anyway, hope that helps somebody someday, and thank you for watching.